So now part 2 probability, and already I wrote the formulas before. So those are the formula for the probability, but I just need one more formula. Yani for the probe, I'm gonna use those formulas plus, so I'm gonna repeat them. P operator of A union B, probability of A plus P of V minus P of A enter B. If A and B are incompatible, so A and B are it means the empty, there is no intersection, so I will have P of A union B, P of A plus P of B. P of A is 1 minus P of bar, P of phi is 1, of omega, is 1, P of phi is 0. I just want to add one more formula. Probability of any event, probability of any case, okay, it's equal, and this is what I really care about. هيدي هلا I'm gonna use it in all the session. هي الفورمولا we have cardinal, نكتب cardinal of A over cardinal of omega. What does it mean? يعني all the favorable cases or the possible cases over the total. Possible cases over the total. What does it mean? To explain this formula, Heidi, what does it mean? Let's suppose that we have in a class, do you like this one? I have, let's say, 5 boys and 3 girls, okay? And I'm choosing, for example, 3 students, okay? You say, what is the probability that, for example, those 3 students are boys? To choose 3 boys, it means I need to choose them from the boys. And we did this before. It's 3, C3, 5 over the total. Total, you are choosing C3 out of how many? 8. So that's it. هيدي هي possible cases. يعني to choose 3 boys, how many possibilities we have? We have C3, 5 over total. يعني to choose 3 out of all the class. The total is C3, 8. This is a proba. It's the same like we did before, but here we have the denominator who becomes the total. Sometimes the denominator will change a little bit. It's linked to some conditions. We're gonna see it later. But before I start with those huge exercises and take the proba, I just will do one exercise related to the preceding formulas that we saw it here. Those formulas, okay? And this exercise will be page 100, number 4, and that's it. And then we were gonna do one exercise. I'll do with you one exercise اللي هو really like we did before, and the remaining we're gonna do it together. So it's page 100, number 4. So we have, it's given, they gave me P of A is equal 0.3, P of B is equal 0.6. They send the first question, calculate P of A bar. So the formula, what gives me P of A bar? هي 1 minus P of A. أنا change the pencil, it's annoying شوي. Okay, and it means it's 1 minus 0.3. So 0.7. Guys, you will notice that all the time the probability of anything here is 0 point. And when the probability is 1 and it's a certain, it cannot be bigger than 1. And أنا بقول أنا possible over the total. الماكسيموم راح تكون total over the total, so it's 1. So it cannot be bigger than 1, and it's all the time 0 point. They also want P of B bar, so it's the same 1 minus P of B. So 1 minus 0.6, it's 0.4. Second question. Calculate P of A union B, they said, knowing that A and B are mutually exclusive. What does it mean mutually exclusive? يعني I said already, يعني A enter B is empty. It's phi. So when it's empty, I will see it here. What does it mean? Now we know that the formula, it's like this, P of A plus P of V minus P of A enter B. When it's mutually exclusive, يعني incompatible, there is no intersection, it's 0, so it's just gonna be P of A plus P of V. So since they are mutually exclusive and there is no intersection, it means when I want to use the formula P of A union B, هي P of A plus P of V. Miss, why أنا بعمل P of minus P of A enter B? I'm removing the intersection لأنه when I do P of A plus P of V يعني I'm counting the intersection twice, so I need to remove one of the intersection. And when there is no intersection, that's why أنا بقول it's 0. There's no intersection. I'm not counting this intersection twice. So this is 0. So what will be my answer? 0.3 plus 0.6. So it's equal 0.9. This is the second question. And the third question here that I have, so P of A union B, if they said it's given, P of A enter B is equal to 0.15. So what will be P of A union B? Formula P of A union B. It's P of A plus P of B and minus the intersection minus P of A enter B. So it's equal 0.6 plus 0.3 minus 0.15. يعني 0.9 minus 0.15 يعني it's equal to 0.75. That's it. So that's it. The remaining exercise that is related to the problem, we're gonna do it together. So I just do a small revision for everything. You need to know, and first the vocab, what does it mean A under B, intersection, A or B union, empty يعني phi يعني impossible, A bar يعني the opposite of A enter A bar, it's all the time empty لأنه I'm doing intersection of two opposite events. A union A bar gives me all the space omega. When when two events are incompatible or the intersection is phi بنقول complementary يعني هن مثل A and A bar. Those are the main formula for the probability. When it's given P of A, P of A, P of A, P of B, and those. But what we're really gonna use in the chapter, in the remaining exercises, here this formula, probability of any case here possible over the total. يعني how many? For example, if I have 8 students in a class and I need to choose 3 students and I want those 3 to be boys, what is the probability that the chosen are boys? يعني C of 3 C3 5 لأنه I need to choose boys over the total اللي هو C3 8. Okay, that's it. This is the second.